Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Freshdesk AI to draft responses in macros. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Freshdesk AI to draft responses in macros, start by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin panel on the left sidebar. In the admin section, locate the Help Desk Productivity category. Under this category, select the option labeled AI. Here, you will find the AI settings for your help desk. Toggle the option to enable AI drafting for responses. You may be prompted to customize the AI settings. Choose your preferences for response tone and style. Once set, save your changes to apply the new settings. Next, go to the Agents section in the admin panel. Click on the Macros option. Here, you can create new macros that will leverage the AI. Select New Macro to start creating a macro. In the macro settings, you can define the conditions for when the macro should be used. Below the conditions, you'll find an AI drafting option. Toggle this option to enable AI assistance for this macro. Then, you can specify the ticket types this macro will apply to. Once you're done, click Save to finalize the macro. To test the AI's drafting capabilities, head to any open ticket. Look for the reply section in the ticket view. Click on the AI draft button provided in that section. Allow a moment for the AI to generate a suggested response. Review the drafted response and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, click Send to respond to the ticket with the AI-generated draft. That's it. You've successfully enabled Freshdesk AI to draft responses in macros. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.